Hello everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I'm going to talk about a key component of a PTE speaking section, that is describe image task. This task is designed to test not only for your ability to speak fluently but also your ability to interpret visual data. You will have 40 seconds to describe an image, which could be anything from a graph or chart or a diagram or a map. So how do you master this task? Let me walk you through it. First and foremost, structure is crucial. You should always begin your response with a clear introduction. For example, if you are looking at a bar chart, start with the image shown, a bar chart illustrating. This immediately sets the context for your listener and allows you to smoothly transition into describing the key details. Next, focus on the most important feature of the image. Remember, you don't have to describe every single detail. Instead, highlight the main points, the highest and the lowest value, significant trends or notable pattern. For example, in a pie chart, you might say the largest segment represent while the smallest portion accounts for. Always think about what stand out most clearly. Time management is a key. You have 25 seconds to prepare before you speak, so use this time wisely. Analyze the image mentally, not the important points, and map out your response. During your 40 seconds speaking time, aim to finish your description around 35 to 38 seconds, giving yourself a time room for any pauses. It also essential to use the right vocabulary when describing a data. Terms like an upward trend or a sharp decline, the majority and the minority will make your speech sound professional and accurate. Avoid filler words and repetitive language. Another important factor is fluency and pronunciation. Even if your description is clear, speaking too slowly or hesitating too much can affect your score. Speak at a natural pace and ensure your pronunciation is clear to be easily understood. Don't worry if you don't cover every single detail. As long as you capture the main points, you're good. Finally, the best way to improve is through practice. Practice with the different types of images regularly and time yourself to simulate real test condition. As you practice, focus on structuring your answer clearly, using appropriate language and speaking with a confidence. Mastering the describe image task in the PTE involves a combination of analysis, structure and vocabulary and fluency. By focusing on the main feature of the image, managing your time and practicing regularly, you can perform well in the task and improve your overall score. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms, link is in the description, and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.